Hey, what's going on, guys? Something kind of cool here. I have my brand new Dusichin foam cannon here, and yeah, let's just check it out really quick. It's not a big deal. Here's the tube for it, right? Then you have the top of the foam cannon. It's all good. Now, what I do like about this one is this is solid brass. You know, pay attention to that. Some of the other ones you get out there are really cheap, like made with some really inferior materials, and it won't last a long time. So this is solid brass, very heavy. I'll zoom in a second so you can see exactly what it looks like close up. But anyways, here's that. And then here is the bottle. So I'll go ahead and connect the tube here. All right, and we'll put it in like this. So I'll go ahead and put some soap and water in there and we'll get going. Okay, so that's it. Here's the foam cannon, all good to go. Gonna go outside and we're gonna get into some foam porn, because I know that's why you're here. Just massive suds and foam shooting all over the sky. It's all good. But instead of just washing my smaller car, I had to make a call to the big homie, the brother-in-law, my boy Marco. He's sliding through, he's got the lifted truck, and we're just gonna shoot that whole bad boy from left to right. I believe he calls this truck a Stormtrooper. So we're gonna shoot the Stormtrooper, it's all good. Shout out to my boy Marco for sliding through and helping me out with the video. It's all to the good. So I'm gonna stop talking, let's get outside into some foam porn, and it's all good. Yeah.
Hey, what up, bro? How you been? Let's go check out the pressure washer and the foam cannon. What up, bro? You ready?
Ready.
Let's get it.
There.
Well, it looks like we got chemical, guys. Honeydew, snow foam wash.
All right, and here's our snow foam bottle right here. I'm gonna add 2 ounces. Now they say for best results, go ahead and put warm water. Don't use cold water. Warm water will help break this down and produce more suds. So I'm gonna go ahead and add about 2 ounces in here. And then I might even do a little more just for good luck. So I'm gonna add some water and connect it to the pressure washer, and we're good to go. Let's check it out.
Let's go try it out.
Let me get that, go ahead and screw that in. All right, and we're ready to rock and roll. Here we go.
Let's roll.
you think of the Simpson pressure washer and the foam cannon?
Well, as you can tell, I'm pretty much speechless. Blown away by the product. The truck looks amazing. Chemicals are awesome. I think we did an awesome job. Thanks, chemical guys. Wow.
Look at that shine.
Looks good. Real good.
All right, Dougie.
Yes, sir.